Here is a unique trick to get rid of warts. You're going to need an ice cube and a sterilized needle, which now it's not sterilized. So what you do is take your ice cube and say we have a wart right here on my hand or something. I'm just going to rub that down, or I could just leave it there if it's small enough, and ice that wart for 5 minutes. Then take your sterilized needle and poke it several times, and you're going to trigger your immune system to produce antibodies to fight that wart. You should actually only need to do that to one wart, and if you have several on your body, that one wart will trigger your body to fight any wart on your body. So again, your body just sometimes needs a little warning to kind of jumpstart the immune system to attack that area. So just ice down for 5 minutes and then prick a few times with a sterilized needle that wart.